welcome back. Let's open day 5 of my Nespresso advent calendar. This is my absolute favorite double espresso pod, and it's the double espresso dolce. Literally just ran out of all the ones that I just had, so I'm excited for this. This pod is an intensity of 5, so it's not that strong. It's also on the sweeter side. Let's make this coffee. Coffee. I made an iced brown sugar shea Nespresso. Add some cinnamon on top. Cheers! This is so good. My favorite pod of all time. Come back for tomorrow for day.